my name is Jamie. I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting, and today we're going to be talking about how you can use an existing HSM to integrate with our product Codesign Secure and create an environment for code signing. Codesign Secure is a hash-based code signing solution with a central server that processes requests from clients and handles communication with the HSM. Because of the architecture of Codesign Secure, you can have multiple clients without having to register them directly with your existing HSM. This will simplify the control scheme and make it so that you don't have to work with the HSM on a regular basis. You'll simply have to do the steps that we're going to cover later in this video once in order to set up the connection between the Codesign Secure server and the HSM. Then, your clients will have proxy access via the server to the HSM. In addition, the Codesign Secure server has a maintained database of the keys that belong to the Codesign Secure application. This means you don't have to worry about the Codesign Secure server accessing the keys your HSM is currently using for other uses. It will only access the keys that belong to it and that it has created. So let's say you currently have an Ncipher HSM that you are using for PKI or some other application. This HSM is all you need. You don't need to purchase any additional hardware or an additional HSM. Your existing HSM and hard server can simply use some of its storage in order to fulfill the needs of Codesign Secure. In this case, for the demonstration today, we have our hard server machine acting as the server for Codesign Secure. You can also do this if the machine that you currently have for hard server has no other requirements. Otherwise, you can set up hard server separate from the Codesign Secure server. The Codesign Secure server will simply need to be able to communicate with the hard server and the HSM. So let's look at the process of setting up an HSM to work with Codesign Secure. The information you're going to need to set this up is going to be in our menu under the System Setup tab. If we go to System Setup, we can configure our crypto. We're going to add an HSM here, and we're going to add an Ncipher Cloud HSM. We'll need the IP address of the HSM, and we'll need the world and module files. Let's look at our hard server to get those world and module files that you'll need. In order to navigate to the world and module files, we'll look in the C drive first. The most likely stored location, by default, is the program data directory. Under program data, we'll navigate into Ncipher and check our key management data directory. Under local, we can see our world and module files that we require for this process. Let's drag them in to this window here and add them. With this, we'll be able to add the HSM. Once we reload the page, we can see under System Edit that our Ncipher Cloud HSM is active. With an active HSM, Codesign Secure will now be able to securely create keys and process requests. So if you currently have an HSM, what do you need in order to set up Codesign Secure and be able to do code signing in your existing environments? You will need a machine that can be your existing hard server for your Ncipher HSM or a separate machine that you will run the Codesign Secure server from. You will also need a license for Codesign Secure. With these two things, you'll be able to use Codesign Secure to complete your required signings. Codesign Secure can sign a variety of files. You can watch our other videos for tutorials on how to integrate with various CI/CD pipelines, such as Jenkins, Azure DevOps, Git Actions, and GitLab, as well as how to sign files ranging from executables to HLK files, OVA files, macro-enabled Excel workbooks, and a variety of other file types. Codesign Secure also integrates with a variety of HSMs. While today we focused on how to integrate with an Ncipher HSM, we also provide support for Talis Luna HSMs and a variety of other HSMs on the market, including Securasys and Udimako HSMs. This concludes today's video. If you need any other assistance or information on how Codesign Secure can work with your existing tools or how to implement code signing in your environment, please reach out to Encryption Consulting and we will schedule a consultation with you.